Uba Prestone ten song sembut Myntri rang ba kajala Meghalaya uloong ba hakapor ba Dr Mukul sangma udang long Myntri rang ba mensua pyrshah doyap ya ke line permit but sngap pat le kat bomon da ka pen pau ba udon lang kynhun Myntri hakate kapor hynrei Dr Mukul sangma sngap satya uba Prestone ten song uloong ba kumno mentau Dr Mukul habo lasong hakasuki unong ilam kalyang pyrshah kan tho ek sarkar ba ompat yo ya ILP.
I was surprised. The very same person that time when he was the chief minister of Meghalaya, he was the one who was deadly against implementation of ILP. And again now he sing different tune just because he became leader of opposition. So I think you need to ask from Dr Mukul Sangma, what is wrong with you? At that point of time, you are deadly against implementation of ILP, and what happened now just because you sitting opposite the treasury bench, you saying again we need ILP. So let people of Meghalaya judge, and let people of Meghalaya also find out his true color on this particular issue. Why I left Congress Party, you need to understand one thing. That time I was minister, I was part of it. That's what I said, because he himself said, we don't need ILP. That's what I'm saying confidently, because he himself, he said in the cabinet 100 times, we don't need ILP. Because I was part of the government. And then ultimately why I came out, I resigned from Congress, is because of him. He was a dictator, so we can't speak anything. And you guys also knew it well. So therefore, no need to talk about that. But my statement stands, and my question to Dr Mukul Sangma, being the leader of opposition, is why at that point of time you said very clearly no ILP, and you knew at that time law and order problem has already started crop up with so many NGOs. And then now, why did you again, the very same person says we need ILP?